Back here I have some of my orbiters here. This is a HP TC1100, and I bought this specifically for an orbiter, and it works really good. Let me go ahead and start it up here. And as you can see, it should be starting up, and there it goes. Over here, of course I have the Nokia NA10, which was the one designed for this OS. And let me go ahead and start that up. And there it goes. So we have two different orbiters here running. And if I go to the movie playing here, we can see there's a movie playing on each one, or a movie playing in this room. And as I stop a movie, you can see they both update almost at the same time. And there it goes, it stopped, and the movie has stopped playing here. So let me show you a quick demo using the Nokia NA10 here. If I go over to video, and you can see I'm in the same room here, and go ahead and play a movie here. I'll try to go as quick as I can so I can show you as much as I can here. You can just go ahead and pick a movie here at random. Go ahead and play something Blu-ray, and I'll go ahead and play 500 Days of Summer. As you can see, when I play it, it goes to play the movie here with the controller here. I can raise audio from the Nokia NA10. I can see here. Well, if there was audio, you could hear it. But yeah, there it is. I'll go ahead and stop the movie here, and as you can see, when I stop it here, it stops the movie from playing. And there it goes. Let's move on here real quick to my one of my media directors. Okay, so this is one of my media directors here that I have here in my kitchen. Just for presentation looks, I'll just have it here so I can kind of show you how it works. I'll go ahead and start it up, and I'll switch the boot menu here. I'll go to boot menu and boot it over the LAN or Pixie boot, and as you can see, it should boot off of the image on the core that's in my living room here. So there it is, and it just kind of does its own thing here. Picks up everything: drivers, video drivers, network drivers. This is an older gateway, so it's supported with LinuxMCE 7.10. The newer ones are hard to get to, and well, with this version. So I'll fast forward here real quick to when it comes up. Okay, so we're back up, and it is coming up. Surprisingly, these media directors boot up real quick off the network, especially with that switch I have. I used to on my attic. It runs really good. It doesn't take more than maybe like a minute or so to bring them back up. You can see it generating the screen, and it should come up. And these laptops here and nettops you can just put behind your TV and work really, really well. You can see here this one's showing master bedroom, even though it's in my kitchen. So I just want to show you how that looks. Let me go ahead and play two different movies at one time here. I'll use my Nokia NA10 to play a movie here in the living room, which is showing living room here. Go to video and just go ahead and play 300. And you can see it should be playing in the living room. This movie always starts up kind of slow here. Alright, so you can see it playing in the living room. Bit of audio here. There it is. And as I move over here to this media director, which is showing them in the master bedroom, I'll switch it over to the master bedroom on my Nokia an 810. Switch it over to the master bedroom in this case, and I'll just go ahead and pick a movie and play something here. I'll go ahead and play Batman Begins. This is a DVD rip, so it actually shows it from the beginning. There it goes. And that should also have audio as well. As you can see, we now have 2 different movies playing in 2 different rooms. You can see one here and one over there. So, as that plays, I'll let those 2 movies play on there. Oh, almost dropped that. Wouldn't that not been good? I'll move over here to the living room and switch it back to the living room here. And I'll go ahead and mute this for now. And show you one more thing I have here, which is my my light that I have here in the living room. Let me go ahead and close these blinds here. And I only do have just one Z-Wave light currently set up, which is that one right here. And as you can see, when I go ahead and push the on button here, the light turns on. There it goes. And of course, like, I have a scenario where when I play movies, it'll dim 90%, like it does in the theaters. And there it goes, and then off, all the way off. And that Z-Wave controller works really well behind the cord here. That's pretty much about it. I will be working on some Cisco 7970 phones, hopefully pretty soon. Want to get some phones working. I do have a GE Simon XT alarm system, which I can't get to work just yet, but hopefully I can get that to work. And really looking forward to the 810 release pretty soon here in the future. I'll keep you guys posted.